In this video, I'll show you how to use a Blink Mini 2K Plus camera as a chime for your Blink Video Doorbell. As long as your cameras are on the same system, a Blink Mini 2K Plus can act as a chime for your Blink Video Doorbell. When the doorbell button is pressed, a chime plays through the doorbell speaker and through any connected mini cameras. Keep note that while a Blink Mini 2K Plus is playing the chime, it won't play other audio from that camera, such as motion recordings or live view. To get started, open the Blink app and tap More on your doorbell's thumbnail. Select Device Settings, then Doorbell and Chime Settings. Tap Use Blink Mini Camera as Chime. All mini cameras on the same system will appear. Select one or more Blink Mini 2K Plus cameras by tapping the circle next to each camera, then tap Save. Your selected mini cameras will now play a chime when the doorbell button is pressed. To adjust volume, tap More on the doorbell thumbnail again, go to Device Settings, then Audio Settings. Use speaker volume to adjust the doorbell sound, and Mini as a chime volume to control how loud the Mini plays the chime. If you don't already have a Blink Mini 2K Plus on the same system, set that up first, then return to this video. You can find Blink Mini 2K Plus setup instructions on this channel. Thanks for watching. For more helpful tips, check out our other videos or visit blink.com.